Hi, it's Matt at Terminal49. I want to show you how you can create your own view in the container section of Terminal49 to create something similar to what we just shared with you for the ports affected by the ILA strike. Within containers, if you want to create a new view to meet your own criteria, you can hit this plus button, which will create an unsaved view and load it up for you. In our case, we're interested in only seeing containers which are going into the ports on the East Coast. We've added the union details here to our coverage matrices so we can see that ports like New York, Savannah, Norfolk, etc. all are under the ILA. So let's go ahead and filter on those PODs. Click on Add Filters, type in POD. I'm just interested in the specific POD itself, that's under the location. I can search by the low code, or I can search by the name. Each time I add a new POD, the view is refreshed to show all of the active containers, ones which we're still tracking, at or heading towards those PODs. In our case, if they've already been picked up, they're good, so we don't need to see those containers anymore. So I'm going to add another filter to exclude containers which already have a full out event. I want the POD full out, and I'm going to select that it's not present, meaning the POD full out has not occurred yet. Finally, I'm interested in the POD, but I'm not really interested in the port of lading or when I added this shipment, so I'm going to remove those columns. I can click on columns and I can uncheck the columns that aren't necessary to me. So in my case, the date added and the port of lading. I'm more interested in seeing the POD arrival and POD together, so I can drag them like this. Now that I'm done, to be able to come back to this view, I need to save it. So I just click Save Changes and I title it. Let us know if you have any feedback. Hope you enjoy this feature.